Hey guys, this is DK11 again. By myself, say alarm clock. Yeah. Well, if you guys want to see my alarm clock, there it is. It's on safety right now, obviously. So, my alarm clock, obviously, airsoft gun. There's a cartridge. It's pretty heavy. And then slide this off. There is the airsoft can. So, I'm not going to take it out because it's pretty, the airsoft can is new. Can't slide it, nothing, just shoots automatically. It's kind of late, so I cannot shoot it. So, I'll make a video tomorrow of me shooting my gun. It's pretty realistic. So, well, I might be able to go in my room and shoot off it for you guys for like once. Let's do it. Just one time. If I get in shit, oh well. I only got a month left in here this place, so just give me a second here. It's gonna get a little dark. Alright. Here it is on the box. Right there. Obviously. Good. Safety's on. Safety's on this side. Right here. Click it over. And you can see it. Now you can shoot it. It's a little loud, but oh well. So I'll do some more shooting for you guys tomorrow. So I just want to check in on my YouTube here, showing my new alarm clock. So well, this is DK911. You guys have a good night, and please comment and subscribe. Thanks.